My video is about removing malicious pop-up windows that come from the site Aherod.life. Aherod.life. This is a deceptive pop-up that attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It may attack both Mac and Windows computers. The pop-up Aherod.life claims to be related to some well-known security program. However, it is not related to that program. Instead, there are certain online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups. They try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. If people click on this proceed button, they may be redirected to some other deceptive sites that may promote a totally different software. So you shouldn't interact with these deceptive pop-ups by Aherod.life. They are fake, they are not related to any decent security apps. Now, I recommend that you additionally research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on this official website, combocleaner.com. There is a version both for Mac and for Windows. The site will automatically detect your operating system. Now, Combo Cleaner will help you to get rid of all the threats, including adware, browser hijackers, potentially unwanted programs, ransomware, and so on. Click on Start Combo Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, however, there are 3 free features such as disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning is successfully accomplished. Then Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threads which were found during the scan. You will be able to know the exact locations of the threads on your computer. Based on that summary of threats, of course, certain infections can be removed manually. However, I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected and to keep your computer always free of any other threats which could possibly remain on your device.